The Agriculture Department expects lower prices of rice in the coming months. DA Secretary Francisco Tiu Laurel says rice prices will start to go down by October, but its full effect will be felt by the public by January next year. This comes after the move of the government to reduce tariff on imported rice products. According to Laurel, rice prices may be slashed by around 5 to 7 pesos per kilo.
The DA's estimates are by mid-October, dapat pababa na yan slowly, no? But the full effect should be felt by January of 2025. Okay. Marami pa tayong stocks yung stocks na imported na nabili ng mahal, paubos na.
Yung balikan ko lang yung issue na yan, yung tungkol dyan sa rice na yan. Kasi as of now, yung mga 888 containers of nearly 500,000 sacks of rice ang nakatenga pa rin doon sa anong tawag yung Port Manila International Container Terminal.
Along with other goods pala na titignan nila sa past. Madaming goods pala na iipit.
So ngayon sinasabi nila, kasalanan daw ng importers. They're trying to hold it down para daw makita nila yung
hoarding.
Yung di ba? Yung ang tawag dito, nakalimutan ko na yung labanan
para
labanan sa presyo. Yes. So, yun ang sinasabi na. Pero, kasi ang ports pala, meron silang 5 days na free na binibigay sa mga...
And in excess kasi you have to pay a rental fee.
Yes. Within 5 days, hindi mo pa makuha yun. You have to pay rental fee, which is, I think, 700 per day, if I'm not mistaken. So, sinasabi nila, bakit naman i-hold ng importers yung kanilang mga goods sa port? Diba? Sabi nila na sila naman yung gagastos. Diba? So,
I guess siguro kasi i-compute nila yung price. When they hold the volume of rice coming in, bumababa yung supply. Pag bumababa yung supply, tataas yung demand. Pag pumalo yung peak demand, then they could demand, pwede nila ilabas yun sa merkado and sell it at a way higher price. Sabi mo from 52, bebenta nila sa 60 to 65 yan. Pag pumalo sa market yan, nasa 70 yan. Mas lalo na kung yung imported variant na magaganda. Yung, di ba, yung well-milled rice, mga Vietnamese rice.
Kaya sinasabi nila, isa yan sa mga, I think, nagiging dahilan din ng mga pagtaas ang presyo ng bigas natin. Dahil yung stocks mo, iniipit mo dyan eh. Di ba? So, dapat ayusin nila kasi napakarami, 888 containers, hindi half million rice sacks yung nakatenga dyan. So, kaya kailangan ayusin nila. Kasi nakakainis yung ginagawa nila di ba?
Yes.